Welcome to Access 360, Century Tire USA's on-demand customer portal, designed to revolutionize the way our customers engage with our factory direct and warehouse programs. From streamlining the ordering process to giving visual on-the-water updates, this dynamic portal gives you access to all of the information and dynamic tools you will need to make real-time decisions. As always, please reach out if you have any questions. Welcome to Access 360, Century Tire USA's on-demand distributor portal. In this video, we'll review the login feature. Once you have opened the link you were provided, you can enter your login details, which will be your email address and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Century Tire customer portal. The impressive features of Access 360 give our partners a distinct advantage while managing and keeping track of all your orders. The 4 tabs at the top are what you will be using in your daily operations. Under the Home tab, you'll see Order Shipment Balance, My Brands, and Product Inventory. Under Orders, you can create new orders. Under the Logistics tab, we have Control Tower and the Freight Quotes. And lastly, we have the Returns tab, where you can manage your active returns and create new ones. We will go over all of these features in further detail in the following videos. Welcome to Access 360, Century Tire USA's on-demand distributor portal. In this video, we will review the home page. We'll review the main navigation options under the Home tab. I will explain how the Order Shipment Balance, My Brands, and Product Inventory work. So to begin with, let's click on Order Shipment Balance. This will pull up all your outstanding orders and products in the system. There are several filters available that you can apply to this search in order to get more specific results. If we click on Search, you will see a list of all products and orders available in the system. In these columns, you'll see the product description, product code, CI number, the sales order, the customer purchase order, container number, BL number, onboard date, and then the quantities available in the system. Now let's do a search applying filters. The filters we can apply when doing a shipment balance search are Order For. So in this case, let's select Factory Warehouse. Then input the Ship To address. How many days have passed since the order was placed, the product name, product code, article number, or the size, the customer PO number, the NRW number, or the ETAs. So now that we've gone over Order Shipment Balance, let's take a look at My Brands. When you click on My Brands, you'll see a list view with all the brands you have in the system. I have here a recently viewed list view, and I'm going to select my customer brands so I can see all my brands. You can then pin this list if you'd like to be able to see it every time you open this page. From here, you can select one of the customer brands to see that information, and if you click on View Latest Price, this will create an Excel file with the current price in the system. Or if you click on the View Latest Price option, you can also export an Excel file that way. You can also do a product inventory search for products that are available in your warehouses by clicking on Product Inventory. In order to perform this search, it is mandatory that we select the brand, and this drop-down menu will show you your available brands in the system. Again, we can search for product name, product code, article number, or size, like we did previously. I'm also going to select this warehouse and click on Search. Here you will see the available inventory in the system for this brand. And again, if you click on the Export button, you can export an Excel file with your product inventory. Welcome to Access 360, Century Tire USA's on-demand distributor portal. In this video, we will review the Control Tower. I'm going to show you how to navigate the Logistics tab. Under Logistics, you will see Control Tower and Freight Quotes in the drop-down menu. If you click on Control Tower, you'll see an overview of the tires you have ordered and their estimated delivery date. You can filter this order by the Ship To address and select more than one at a time. You can also filter by transport mode. So, for example, select via road, by sea, via rail, and so on. Another option is to filter by product. In the product field, you can add all the details that pertain to the tires you're looking for. For instance, you can include filter by size with the rate and speed load rating to get specific results for that type of tire. or you can enter the raw size. You can also search by product code or article number. You can also filter by ship date and ETA. And then there are 3 additional filters: commercial invoice number, in other words, the FD document number, or the container number. And remember that one commercial invoice can have more than one container listed. And lastly, if the shipment is by road or rail, you'll also be able to filter by the NRW number. Here below, you will see your table of results, which has very useful information. If you click on the map button next to each result, you'll be able to see where that specific shipment is on the map. And if you click on the cart icon, you'll be able to see all the details of what is in that container. Here, you can see all the tires that are being shipped, along with their quantity. If you click Export, it will create an Excel file with all this data. The red alert icon will show you if there are any exceptions to the shipment. For example, an unavoidable delay or route change. This last icon allows you to download the packing list and save it to PDF. Here, you can see the packing list has been downloaded. In the next column, you can access information related to the container number. If the shipment is coming via road or rail, you will see the NRW number, then the FD number, if it applies, as well as information about the destination. For example, who is going to pick up the container at the port and deliver it to the ship-to address. You can also see information about when the container was shipped, when it is expected to arrive at the terminal, and then the final destination. And over here, you'll be able to see the ship quantity, which is how many tires are in that container. If you click on the History tab, it will pull up all shipping information for shipments that were delivered in the last 45 days. Welcome to Access 360, Century Tire USA's on-demand distributor portal. In this video, we demonstrate how to accept or reject a freight quote that is pending with Century Tire. So to begin, let's click on the Logistics tab. Select the Freight Quotes option, and here you'll see all the accepted and pending freight quotes you have in the system. The list includes details such as the warehouse of origin and the destination address. When you select one of these freight quotes, you'll be able to see the details of the freight quote, such as the warehouse it's coming from, the pickup date, the delivery date, expected arrival, and destination address. And if you click on the View PDF button, you'll see the packing list. This packing list is separated by orders, so for each order that is coming in this shipment, there will be a separate page, as you can see in this example. To accept the freight quote, you simply click on the Accept button. If, for some reason, you need to reject the freight quote, because, for instance, the price is too high or the delivery date does not meet your needs, you can click on the Reject button here. If you select the Reject button, a new window will open up asking why you are rejecting the freight quote. If it's because of the cost, you will then need to enter a target price and then click on Save. If it's because of the date, you can enter 2 alternative date options to give Century Tire the opportunity to make adjustments where possible, and click on Save. If the rejected reason is neither cost nor date, you will need to select Other and best explain why you are rejecting the quote in this field provided. Once the freight quote is accepted or rejected, you can navigate back to the packing list and confirm that the status has been updated to reflect your changes. Welcome to Access 360, Century Tire USA's on-demand distributor portal. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create orders in the customer portal. When creating an order, you have 3 options. You can use the wizard to create a new order, you can upload a new order with an Excel file, or you can upload multiple orders with multiple lines by uploading a file with this information. The second option is to upload a new order. In order to do this, click on Upload, enter the header information, select the order type, the warehouse, the brand, the customer PO number, and the customer purchase order date. Click on Confirm Data, and you'll see these 2 buttons. The first one is Upload a document, and the other one is Download Sample Template. When you open the downloaded Excel file, you'll be able to add the items you want to purchase. Here's a sample Excel file that I created already, with multiple lines filled out. I'm going to upload this import sales order template to the system and create one line for each one of these products with these quantities. click on Select File, and then Upload Document. Your Excel file will then be displayed here, with each individual line laid out the same way you originally filled them out. If you are happy with your order, click on Save Sales Order. You should then see a success message to indicate that the sales order has been created. The third way of creating multiple orders is by uploading a file. This will upload multiple sales orders with multiple sales order lines. So again, click on Upload. Select the order type, the warehouse, the brand, and confirm data. You'll then see the same buttons you saw before, and from here, you can download a template. When you open the downloaded document, it will look like this. Here, you can see separate lines for different purchase order numbers, so then it's ready to be uploaded. To upload the file, click on Select File, then on Upload Document, and the file will appear here. It has looked up my products, and it will automatically create 3 sales orders with 1 line for each one. I can then upload another file, or just click on Submit Sales Order. You will then see a success message, which means the records have been created. Welcome to Access 360, Century Tire USA's on-demand distributor portal. In this video, we demonstrate how to look up your existing returns and also how to create new ones. When you have clicked on the Returns tab, you will see these filter options. If you simply click on Search, you will see a list of all your returns available without any filters applied. To narrow the search results, you can filter by the status of the return, the created date from and the created date to, and select AR credit if that applies. You can then export the list and see specific details about each return by clicking on each return line. You can also select multiple lines and show a list displaying several returns at one time. And then you can click on Export to download the Excel file. And that is how to check on and look up existing returns. Now we are going to learn how to create a new return. First, you click on Create. Then you have to select a return type from these 5 options. For example, it could be a warranty return, the product was mislabeled, it's a new product, etc. I'm going to select warranty as the reason, and then select the Ship To address. Fill out the model of the tire, the brand, and the load rating speed separated with a /. We are then going to search for products. This will pull up all the products in your inventory that match your description, and then you can select the product and the quantity that you want to return. In this section, you'll have to select the reason for the warranty return. Fill out the DOT number and the remaining tread depth. Additionally, you'll need to upload at least 3 pictures of the tire, and then click on Create Return. If you need to add another tire to return, simply repeat these steps. For now, I'll leave the second one off and create a return. Here you can see that the return has been created, and you can click on View All the Information once more and confirm that it's all correct.